Feeling heavy in the heart, feeling like going down, down. Just feeling like I'm gonna be down for so long. Down in my spirits on Anjos lane. Up, going down, up and down on Anjos lane. Send me an angel.
Okay, so we're going to be going down this street right there, and this is called Travessa dos Anjos, which is Street of the Angels. And let me just kind of give you an idea. This is Field Street where we're on. So that's going to be our starting point on Field Street, and then we're going to go down to down there. Stay tuned. Macau. So okay, let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in Macau, and let's just get right into it. We're gonna also show you the lyrics. So we created some music and I fit that up into AI, so that's there as well. And I think there's no more to be said for this particular video. I just want you to experience it as if you were there yourself. Let's do it. Walk and talk time. Checking out Macau. Okay, so just a moment ago we were up there. Now we're on our Field Street, and then we're gonna be going down to Travessa dos Anjos. So we'll meander down that way. Kind of a busy street, very busy street. Buses going by. Okay, so it looks kind of chaotic here with the buses, but then as soon as we take a left, take a right, it's going to change significantly, which is right now. And now we come into this beautiful street with a butterfly, and we're on Travessa dos Anjos, which is right there. So let's let me just capture that real quick. Travessa dos Anjos. And this is the entrance of our street. There's also all these little alleys like this one right here. So I'm just put the camera into this real quick. Oh, you have a shrine. And this will be filled with them. The street filled with little alleys everywhere. So let's meander into it. See where we are. Show it off a little bit. And I'm going to show some more of these alleys as well, including these alleys right here. This one will meander all the way up to another street. You just kind of have to follow it through a little bit. Okay, so let's continue down. Actually, let me just kind of capture some of these things. This has a nice look in there. Let's go out. Okay, so let's go down. More. Each of these alleys is kind of interesting as well. I have filmed them separately. But yeah, you have like nice shrines. They're usually connected. I think usually they'll have a history where maybe a family, community would have lived in them historically. Now they're a little bit different. And then they'll have a shrine. I think sometimes the shrine is connected to their home region, maybe Fujian or somewhere like that. Because they all would have slowly emigrated to Macau over time from different places of throughout China. Okay, so I think this little alley I think is part of our street too. Let me just walk around. So up there, let's say Travessa dos Anjos, right there. So I think this is part of Travessa dos Anjos as well. So let me just kind of walk up it briefly. We've got an ice cream shop too. Yeah, it's kind of the lighting's just coming on. Rooftop, way at the top. Clover. Yeah, this is nice right here. Perfect view. And then also this restaurant right there too. Okay. So we're going to continue When I first got here, there used to be buskers right here. They played music sometimes in this little square. I don't see it so much anymore. I don't know, I think it's illegal. It's pretty cool too. It's nice. Okay, so we are going to go further. We got more of these side streets. Including Becos dos Anjos. Just kind of go into here real quick. Ufufu. Another butterfly. Then you have this beautiful building with a stained glass as well. Okay. So let's take a look back down our street. We got a popcorn place. Okay. Okay, so let's slowly go upward a little bit. Chacaco. All right. Gonna check out these pandas here as well. Welcome to Macau. Another one right here. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking down. Just kind of meander like this a little bit. Still on our target street right there, Travessa dos Anjos. Also have a coffee shop here. Let me just kind of capture that coffee shop real quick. So I think this is actually new Momo Coffee. I don't recall seeing it before, but it looks like we have a rooftop and 3 stories. That right there is an apartment. Looks like a shrine, but okay. Nice and colorful. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down, going up, going down. Got a jewelry shop. So I'm gonna come around to a bend in the road. And this is kind of photogenic because I'll get a mix of both. So now we can see this road where we came up and then this one where we're going. And we'll go down it. And then this will actually come up to the end of it. And yeah, it's really photogenic, especially in the evening like this. Okay. Okay, you see. There's also some restaurants, KFC, Daiso Japanese one. Okay, so we're gonna go all the way to the end. Let me turn around before I do. That'll be the end of the street right here. This is actually the theater. This red and white building right there is the theater. Okay, so let's venture to the end of the street. Travessa dos Anjos. Then now we're out at a major street. This street is called I forget the name of it. But this one will go all the way down to down this way, which is Sao Paulo ruins. So Sonata Square is down that way as well. And we're going to be ending it right on this space right here. Just want to kind of get in here real quick. So this is our street. Travessa dos Anjos. So let's end this video.